moving all the rabbits out of the rabbit hutch for when the excavator comes to move the rabbit hutch.
We have the corner of the barn staked out, and an excavator is coming to create a level pad for us to build upon. We went to the county building department and applied for a building permit. We received the permit the same day. Our excavator arrived and made it look easy removing the sod. We ended up having 5 truckloads of compacting base brought in. Post holes were drilled 48 inches deep for the posts of our barn. At the end of the day, we covered the post holes to keep out the weather.
So it's April 1st and it's definitely snowing. And we had our footer inspection today, and now we need to plan our next step. Look at Kitty, she doesn't like the snow.
We were glad glad the weather changed back to nice.
As we're still getting our plan together, we decided that we can make some gussets for our trusses out of 5 pieces of plywood. We're in the shop now, and these are the overall plans for the barn, and here are the gussets. The gussets are basically just plates that cover up the joints on the trusses to give them strength.
Some work to make all the gusset plates, but a few jigs made things go faster. Quite a few gusset plates for 13 trusses.
I think we made pretty good progress on our barn so far. We have a level pad laid out, we have our holes drilled, and we even have gussets ready. Next we need to put a build of materials together, and we need to find a lumber supplier. Once we get some lumber, we can really start building this barn, and it'll start actually looking like a barn. Bye, see you later. I think that's all.